Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick chocolate mousse. Actually, it's based on an Asian dish called Kueh Pisang, and it's based on coconut milk, sugar, and this is the Kueh Pisang. It is green bean powder, or we call it Kueh in Singapore. And yeah, let's proceed. The chocolate mousse I'm just using got a lot of leftover cocoa powder, so we're gonna use just cocoa powder. In a cooking pan, I'm going to put some water. Don't need to be a lot. And to the water, I'm going to add the coconut milk. Okay, that's enough. And just stir it. To this coconut milk and water mixture, I'm going to add some sugar. 2 tablespoons, and I think that's enough, or maybe just a little bit more, 2.5. And we're going to heat this mixture at low heat. In a glass, add some green bean powder. The more green bean powder you use, the harder your mixture is going to be. So I'm just going to eyeball some, maybe 1.5 tablespoon of green bean powder. I have this inside here, so I'm going to use what I've left over from last time. Just a little bit to dissolve, sure that there's no lump at the bottom. And once it's ready, we can keep the heat on. I think solution into the coconut milk solution, and we have to stir this mixture very quickly because it will start to cook. So when it's cooking too fast, you add some water. I don't want it to be too thick. I want it to be a more runny mixture. Now the flavor has already started to come out and really smells really good. The fresh coconut milk with the green bean powder. This one can be a little bit softer. I'm going to add some more water. A minute passed, and I believe this is already done. So there's a bit of a lump because the green bean mixture was too thick. And when poured into the solution, the coconut milk solution, it starts to clump together. So those clumps aren't easy to dissolve further, so it doesn't make the Kueh Pisang mixture very smooth. So I'm gonna sieve it and keep it in my container. Okay, after sieving, this is what I have. The Kueh Pisang. It is really smells really good. Okay, we have our pot here, and you don't have to wash it. We're ready to make the chocolate mousse part of today's what I'm going to do. Basically cocoa powder. First, I'll put the remaining coconut milk in here. I'm going to add just a tiny amount of water. to taste. About 2 tablespoons should be enough. Because I didn't really have a lot of coconut milk left after doing the kueh, so as usual, as before, I'm going to heat up the coconut milk and sugar mixture. Then to this mixture, actually, I already add the cocoa powder. Already smells nice. I like the smell of coconut milk. Now just a big spoonful of cocoa powder go in there. And I'm going to lower the temperature a little bit. Oh, it's too hot. I just want the lowest temperature. So you can see it's already forming nice chocolate mixture. No, coconut milk, cocoa powder, and some water and sugar. It's already good enough. You don't need other kind of fats. So is this healthy? I added quite a bit of water to my green bean mixture so that it's not as thick as the first time when I was making the kueh pisang. This is now very diluted. I'm going to add it to my because of the amount of water I'm using, it doesn't thicken up or lump up as fast as before, and it gives it a chance to stir and coat and become really smooth. And then I'll let it cook. Try to break up if there's any lumps. And basically my mousse is done. I didn't use any former, what do you call it, to introduce bubbles. So this texture is maybe a bit thicker than the traditional mousse, but it's still very tasty, and might be. So I have cleaned up a bit. I've also sieved my chocolate mousse mixture into my keeping container, glass container, to have some pineapple cubes, and then you can top it with some kueh pisang mixture, and see that it's quite wobbly, and just top it onto the pineapple cubes. I put them all together, but to look better, it may be good to separate them. So I'm going to put this into the other cup. Then of course you can have your chocolate mousse on top. As well. And there you go. Summer treat.